Hello everyone, it's Soumya with a video explaining how to use MS Word in mobile phone. MS Word is a word processor developed by Microsoft. It has advanced features which allow you to format and edit your files and documents in the best possible way. So, to know its use, let's get started with the video. Firstly, you have to download this app from Play Store. As you can see, I have downloaded this app. So, let us make our document. As you can see here, the MS Word screen is appearing. On the right hand side, here the option of plus appearing on the screen. We have to click on it and then we will see that many types of templates are appearing, such as blank document, take notes, make a list, write a journal, create an outline, etc. For this video, I am using the blank document. At the bottom, there are many types of tabs available such as Home, Insert, Draw, Layout, Review and View. Now, I am going to type my name, class, roll number here on the screen. Now, to make it bold, italic and underline, we have to select the whole word which we want to make bold, italic and underline. Here are the options of bold, italic and underline present in the Home tab. We have to click on the bold to make it bold and then on italic and underline to make it italic and underline if we want it. If you want to change the style of your text, you can click on it. This is the font style button. By clicking on it, you can change the style of your text. And if you want to increase or decrease the size of your text, you can click on this. This is the font size button. By clicking on it, you can decrease or increase the size of your text. If you want your text to look more attractive, you can change its color by clicking on font color option. As you can see here, I have changed my text color to orange and it has been changed. This is the bullet button. If you want your text to be as point-wise, you can use this button. By using this button, you have different options of bullets. I am using this option and you can see here my text has been in points. Now, how to add an extra page to your document? You have to click on insert and then you will have the option of blank page. By clicking on it, you will have a new blank page. Now I am going to type something in this page. As you can see here, I have typed my name and class here on the screen. Now, how to highlight your text? Select the word which you want to highlight. And now in the Home tab, here is the option of highlight available. Click on highlight. After clicking on it, you can choose the color in which you want your text to be highlighted. Now you can see here my text has been highlighted by clicking on that. Now if you want to change the alignment of your text, in the Home tab at the bottom, here are different types of alignment such as align left, center, align right and justify. I am choosing the center and you can see here my text has been in the center. Now if you want to give space between your sentence, you can use paragraph formatting button available on the Home tab. By clicking on this button, you can give spaces between your sentence. To give space between your sentence, firstly select the word and then click on line spacing to give space. As you can see here, the space has been created between my sentences. Now, how to add pictures to your document? Click on insert, then click on the option of picture and add picture to your document. As you can see here, I have chosen a picture. Now, if you want to crop it, you can use the crop button and then crop it and then click on done button to insert your picture to your document. Here you can see my picture has been added to the screen. Now also you can change the shape of your image. Now let us learn how to add tables to our document. Firstly, go to Insert, click on Tables, and then here you can see your tables have been added to the screen. If you want to delete or add rows and columns to your document, you can use the option of Delete. If you want to delete rows, click on Delete Row. Firstly, select the row which you want to delete and then click on Delete Rows. Now, if you want to delete the column, you can use the same option of deleting column. You can see here, I have changed the space of my table. Now, if we want to write anything here, we can click on it and then we can write. You can see here, I have wrote the name of different types of paintings here in my table. Now if you want to change the style of your table, click on your tables and then here in the table option, you can at the bottom, you can see the table style button. Click on it and choose any of the style which you want for your table. For example, I have chosen this style. Now, how to add shapes to our document? Go to Insert, click on Shapes, and here there are different types of shapes appearing on the screen. You can choose any of the shape and add to your document. For example, I am adding this shape to my document. Now, how to add text to our shape? Click on our shape. Here the option of appearing at the above of add text. Click on it and then you can add text to your shape. As you can see here, I have typed hello. Now, to increase the size of our text in this shape, we have to follow the same process. Click on our text and then select the text whose size we want to change. Go to Home and then change the font of your text and then you can change the size also. If you want to use bold, you can use it. Now, if you want to highlight your text, you can highlight it using the highlight option. If you want to zoom in or zoom out your document, you can go to View tab and here is the option of zoom in and zoom out. You can use it from here. You can change your page width here from here. Now our document is completed. So how to save a document to MS Word? In a mobile phone, to save our document to our phone, we have to click on these three buttons showing here. Click on it and there you will get the option of share, save as. Click on save as. As you can see here, the save as screen is appearing on the screen. To save your file, click on this device, then it would ask documents, download or storage. I am clicking on documents and then it would ask for the option of change name. You can change the name of your document. I am typing my name here and saving my file with my name and then click on save button. As you can see here, my document has been saved and it is shown here. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.